I'm at a stage where I'm now working on the drawer that goes into the portable desk. So the drawer will fit into this opening, and it will attach to the tambour at the back of the drawer. And I think I've worked out a way of attaching that to a cleat on the back of the drawer. So the piece, I've cut out the pieces, and I was being very careful about the dimensions of the pieces, cutting very accurately. Here's my drawing of the drawer assembly. And I've got a rear view up here and a front view here. There'll be two ring pulls on the front here, hardware. They're dovetailed sides, but they're not a hidden dovetail. It's a through dovetail because there will be a piece of banding and stringing veneer that covers this whole front of the drawer. Then there's a skid that fits at the bottom of the drawer, and that screws in from the bottom. Let me just turn to a exploded view here. So there's this skid or a drawer stop that screws in into the bottom edge of the drawer front. And then there's a cleat, a drawer tambour cleat that will fit onto the back of the drawer back to fasten the tambour. The drawer bottom is going to be 3/16 thick, and that's this piece of mahogany right here. And it will have a rabbet around it to fit into the 1/8 inch grooves. So I start with cutting the dovetails in the drawer side, and I have a full-size template here in the drawing. I've cut that out and glued it to a piece of stiff, thick poster board, and then I've used this then to mark out the drawers, the drawer sides. So I'll be cutting out these little dovetails here first. Also, I've scribed, very carefully scribed, since the drawer front is a 1/2 inch, then I've got a cut mark here at 1/2 inch. And the back is a 3/8 inch piece. That's this piece here. So there's a mark at 3/8 at the back. Then also the cut marks are on the where there'll be dovetails here on the back of the back piece, and also I've scribed out the marks on the front. This is the drawer front. by the way, I've got triangle marking on here, so you can see the base of the triangle for the front and the top of the triangle for the back. Then the sides have the, so I know that this is the right side and front to back, and this is the left side. So everything's marked out now, and I'll be able to start the dovetails with the cutting here on the side pieces.